Now that I've got your attention, this is me now after 6 EMS treatments of only 30 minutes each. And this was me previously. You must be wondering what treatment I was doing to get rid of my tummy. Now, I just lie down, relax, and use EMS toning, which uses electro muscle stimulation that induces short bursts of powerful muscle contractions that reduces fat and build muscles at the same time. It helps to achieve a toned and trim body in a fast and effective way with long-term results. This EMS stimulation treatment creates super muscle contractions, which is equivalent to an intensive workout of doing 20,000 sit-ups/crunches in 30 minutes with no discomfort in the comfort of your air-conditioned room. All this while lying down. The best part is that on the next day, your stomach cramps are almost non-existent, unlike doing physical sit-ups. You are able to use this to train your abdominal, buttocks, biceps, triceps, inner, outer, front and back of your thighs, and your calves as well. These are all real results. You can check out our YouTube channel where we documented my 22-day slimming diary from flaps to abs. Yes, only 22 days comprising of only 6 EMS treatments. Seeing is believing. You will not regret signing up for our first trial promotion at $99. Experience it yourself by clicking on the link below. I'll see you soon.